In the age of analytics, the ability to transform flat data into compelling visualizations has never been more important. John Tukey, a 20th century American statistician and pioneer of data visualization, said, "This is my favorite part about analytics, taking boring, flat data and bringing it to life through visualization." Tukey invented methods such as the box plot and coined many terms, including bit and software. His main objective? To present data clearly and concisely. So why visualization? What does it do for us? Data visualization is the process of making data visual, creating a narrative or story from raw data, whether numerical, scientific, or categorical, and being able to communicate that story to a wider audience. Data might be turned into dashboards, which are collections of graphs presented on a single screen, designed to quickly update an audience on things such as customer sentiment, growth trends, or monthly sales. Graphs are commonly used by news media to simplify data for the general public, communicate election results, and show rapidly changing economic data such as stock market shifts or weather trends. Scientific visualizations can also help quantum physicists or astronomers visualize that which cannot be seen with the naked eye, because the object of study is too small, too large, or moves too fast. By the end of this course, you will be able to define basic concepts in data visualization and statistics. You will learn the fundamentals of data science and data analytics, and will use Excel and Tableau to create data sets, define their features, measure statistical properties, and create data visualizations using metrics, graphs, and dashboards. Using these tools, along with an open source program called Gephi, you will learn how to tell an engaging story with data to help define objectives and make informed decisions.